Mpwaniriza gwe yakatiro gatako ku STV Embuga amanya nze Simon Chris Makanga era nga nkyaliwo obuterevu ne mukwano gwammwe Joseph Tamale Mirundi mutabani wa Mole n'amatovu ne Mirundi Owana. STV Embuga tugenda ddala mu maaso era nga ennamba ogiraba ku TV yo osobola otuweerezaako WhatsApp oba text message ku kizibu kyonna kyoyagala omukuku na Joseph Tamale Mirundi abeeko kyayogerako naye nga nyogero bajjukiza nti tulina okuuma emirembe mu nnaku zino ezibulayo okubanga Uganda esalawo kwani anabeera omukulembeze wayo bwe tweyongerayo
nalabye omuserikale ng'agamba tujjako kuba emigo weegana n'ennyo wali okubyani. That's not eryagala kusiba. That's message of intimidating the people. This isn't the message. Mitigate. You say, why should people riot? Address the issues that will force people riot. We are not organizing elections for the first time. Why do you believe that this time we shall have elections?
Captain Mike Mukula, ononga chairman wa National Resistance Movement mu Eastern Region, atula ku kitebe kya Central Executive Committee. Aina ba Arrow Boys group yo gyakozesa nnyo biseera bya 2003 ne 2005 we bali balwanyisa koni mu bitundu by'ebugwanjuba wamu ne mu mambuka ga Uganda. Abantu nonno bamala ekiseera ne bakola kye emirimu gyabwe ne giggwawo. Njogera kuba Arrow Boys. So we twogerera omukulu ono Mike Mukula yaba meetings eno zabadde lwakusatu bali wakuna n'aba wa task y'okunoonya akalulu k'omukulembeze w'eggwanga mu bitundu byeyo era nga bakanoonya door to door. So banono bavuddeyo nga beemulugunya. Omu ku bo eyabadde mu meeting eyo yavuddeyo n'agamba nti owaayo lwaki mukama waabwe abanoonya mu kaseera nga kakalulu oba lwaki abanoonya nga abeetaaga. Ate nno mu biseera bya mwaka gwa 2006 President Museveni yali abasuubiza abo bonna abaali bafiirwa abantu baabwe oba abafiira mu lutalo yali asaze okuba compensatinga nente amabaati 25 nente 5 buli muntu. Ne bwe twogera nabo bavudde n'abikomplainako nga bagamba nti owaayi President yeebwe asuubiza tatuukiriza bibaasuubizibwa nga tebabifunanga. Awo njagala tutandikire Muzeyita Amali. Ba Arrow Boys obamanyi bulungi.
For me issue eriemu nti mu ddiini mu Bukatoliki bakugamba nti agaana abantu bano amanye ekibagana okufumbirigano
aveeyo
kati oba asirikire eddala. How come that those Arrow Boys have not been paid for all of this time? 2. Under which agreement did they join the battle? That's what I always ask. Are you volunteers? Are you mercenaries? What were the conditions under which? Gundi, the Minister of Security, J.J. Odongo, where does he come from?
He comes from
Lieutenant General Ngina, where does he come from?
I don't know.
The man in charge of relief, the minister, where does he come from?
Java.
What about this woman, Gundi? See among there is another one who went through an opposite.
Anita?
Yes. Where does she come from?
The same region.
Why did they fail, all of these prominent people, to address this issue, to pass it up today?
Amabaati 20 nente 5.
Ebyo nze sibibeeramu. I know Mukula. I know how Mukula operates. People, Museveni has been looking for his votes with his 2 daughters. People fear how relevant can we be. Others akaluka basaze banoonya ssente. But let me tell you, Mukula. In 1985, when Obote was about to go, Obote was Minister of Finance, and Okero's soldiers had arrived at Bombo. Obote disparately went to Luzira, met the soldiers who were in prison, told them, I'm the Minister of Finance. Muveyo munwanire nja basasula. Everybody who was released left. You have posed a very good question. Do you remember us today? Kakati abo bamukula bye bakola. Banoonya ssente, but it's a sign of desperation. The message they are sending to the people is wrong. nti wa disparate. Kina babuuza.
Is he using these boys or not?
Mukola akakiiko mbuka media kaliko tamale mirundi. Did you consider me in the last 5 years? I've been financing and facilitating my TV and radio programs. Did I have a budget from anybody? Zemubadde mujjako. A drunkard ate omuyita kati mukole mwenna. Then you were more drunkard.
Naye abeera mutamiivu. Abantu
abo tebalina bwongo mu mutwe. They don't understand human behavior. Nti the Baganda have a very good proverb. Babikulya balungi mirimo.
Babikulya balungi mirimo.
Are we good at working, but when the meal comes, then we are bad people?
You're not welcome to the dinner
abo abasajja bayita basirwabo. Kakati mukula ayagala kwetega yagamba mbu mukula aguze TV simanyi bayitani y'abalokole ng'era anoonya ebirango bigende koliko di TV.
Nawulidde mbu ddiini yaganye.
Nedda
bamaze ne baawukana.
Yali anoonya ssente na buno obuvubuka mbu Museveni abawe ssente. Mukula is disparate. I'm telling you, Mukula is a disparate man.
And when you are NRM for some time,
when you are disparate,
and I want to ask you this question.
You make a lot of mistakes.
Is there anyone who is passionate about NRM? Apparently.
I doubt. Nyinza kujjamu balumumba abo. Mumba akubiddwa n'akola ki? Kati oyo Mukula azannya political gundi, masturbation. And you end up destroying everything.
Are they patriotic or patronage?
Is it a big deal for Mukula to buy a TV station? Naye baali bamanyi mbwe sente zigenda kuyita ku birango ku TV
jaguze
yeteekeyo. Mukula akkiriza kana akalulu kakusase. Era I've read it in your newspapers. Museveni's absences in constituencies where affected NRM. Is the president supposed to be an askari in their constituencies? Why do you drag Museveni? You drag Museveni that because Museveni has not been in the constituencies, Museveni, MPs, Museveni are babysitting. MPs wheelbarrows that must be pushed by Museveni. Zimpapula zammwe ez'abagwagwa nti bw'awandiika pages 2 Museveni is absence. No, these people kakati timiteri nakibabuuza naye amawulire gafudde nnyo Bobi Wine ajjanga kati Aga Khan alina okuba holinga monitor gonna mafu monitor ate yarotinze ng'omulambo gwennyini nti kakati kankubuuza, did you sign an agreement that when the MP fails, Museveni takes responsibility? Is there an agreement?
The party takes
Can we stand a party takes responsibility? Why didn't you? If the party takes responsibility, the party has the structure, has the secretariat, has low down layers. Did you if it was that Museveni must work, must force these people to work, yes, did you raise this issue? Museveni is a mobile president. He moves everywhere. That's why his expenditure, state house expenditure, is high. Who raised these issues in Museveni's tours that your MP is not working? Nolabo musajja alina diguli nga naye atudde ku kompyuta akuba obusiru bwonna obusiru bwe muva mu mutwe obusiru bwe n'agamba noga eno ngiwandiise y'amagezi nnyo. ayipiteyo ayipite these monitor
people. President Museveni office ng'agamba nti one of the offices mu Uganda ez'okubamu your office ya president naye babafunye missed call make sure nti azaayo
kakati timiteriyo
anyway katongereyo ne STV embuga
yefu Museveni
naye ensonga eyo yaba
performance yefu Museveni's performance is linked to the MPs. Let us say where Museveni has commissioned a hospital in a district, then the NRM
what is the way forward? What is the way forward?
No, don't drag me in those Arrow boys. The question of Arrow boys, what about the Second World War veterans? The Second World War where my father was also included. What did the Europeans do? No. Are you a soldier or a volunteer? Kakati, under which arrangement? nabana abalwana mu Luweero babaleetera etteeka teyalwana mu Luweero n'atuuka e Kampala is registered as a soldier. If he does not want to remain in the army, because when Irakwena invaded those areas of Akoni, the younger people mobilized. Mukula yajjanga ne pistol what najja nayo kugonda najja ne yerega najja nakola atya kakati Mukula, you have a responsibility. You were a minister, you were vice chairman of NRM in your area. If you failed to use your influence to help these Arab boys, why don't you write like an empty envelope?
Achiveko.
These were younger people, the Arab boys can come in on their own. But if you say that you are mobilizing ex-servicemen to come and look for votes, when they were mobilized to kill an enemy, are you saying that the NRM in your area is vice chairman is so disparate?
muyine emitwe
singa bamukula abo tebaasoma baali badde bawumba mmindi yo people muyine emitwe people some abusive at all. Desperation. You don't need to be desperate.
katono nnyo. I want to borrow into your experience nga gwomuntu aluddewo wano n'abazaagobera ensonga especially mukaluka nakagenda okuddako. What is your observation?
This is the easiest election.
How do you call it easiest?
But yes, I'm telling you, is the easiest election. Why? The opposition, we don't have any opposition candidate.
But at least you said you have one. Bobby Wine.
So opposition.
Anti wagamba yaddukayo kati yaliwo nga ye government mu opposition gye twakafuna yaliwo.
President we yasibye account z'abantu. Ogenda obuuze ya Bobby Wine yagisibye. Kiri mbuze Bobby Wine ez'amaganda be yazisibye. President yasibye sente z'abantu. Ate okukirya eringa okuddamu ojjigulawo ng'akalulu kawedde. You must be cleared by Uganda Revenue Authority nti obadde osasula omusolo emyaka 10. There was an argument. I was watching the people.
Does he have the powers to do that as the president?
I was watching one of the meetings. But why don't we take this man to Uganda Revenue Authority Tribunal? How can he touch our money? Omusajja n'amugamba nti gwe kyoliko tokitegeera. If Museveni comes back, naga nti bano tebabadde tebamusola abantu tebatutta. Naye golaba Museveni patience gy'alina. Yakyusa omusajja wa Revenue Authority ne batategeera kyaliko. Ne babba ssente. Waliwo anyampisa eswaga. N'atwala ssente za radio ne TV. Agenda atigomye. Agenda ali kwa akaunti yete kuli sente alya sente za mukazi. Omukazi yemuwaddeyo anyampise swaga. Yatwala sente. Nabba sente za radio zonna nazitwala. Sente bazirinnyeko. Akaunti nninnyeko. Kakati ze nkubuulire. This is the simplest election we've ever had.
When people are exiting the country,
which one?
The tension is extremely high.
No, and kankubuulire is up to you kankubuulire. Immediate after the 2016 elections, Gonde, President received an invitation to Nairobi to address the executives of Nairobi, or business executives. Basically plotted to undermine Museveni's visit. N'agenda bamuyiridde amaaso ng'eyagamuyiira mwana wa deputy son we
yamusigaze Nairobi mu ddwaliro.
Kakati when the president was addressing the conference, a man stood up. Mr. President, do you have what to talk to us when one of the leading opposition leaders bakifulumya toka wafula yali akitaddemu nebesijewe ne bakifulumya ate Museveni yabagamba.
Wasn't that a reasonable question?
Museveni yabagamba if this man wants to hear what is happening in Uganda, allow him to stay. Museveni pleaded this man bali bamufulumya. Kakati nikibuuza, are you going to spare time to meet him in the hospital? Museveni said, we have so many hospitals in Uganda. If this man decided to come here, why do I waste my time to go there? Has Besigye ever gone there for medical checkup? Did you see him going there?
So it was also a
It
political...
was a sabotage. Kakati nkugambye ti Bobi Wine's decision is intended to pressure, to put more pressure to government, to make sure, you see, abazungu bagezi. Abazungu batwala Raila, batwala Uhuru ne Ruto Hague. Eventually ne besanga mu kizibu nti Obama had to visit his home country. In American tradition, yes. If you are a descendant that was zalibwa ku ttaka lya America, a year before you complete your 4 years, you visit your country of origin. Kakati Obama had to visit Kenya as the president of USA, as a former president. The Bazungu went back, advised Uhuru. Uhuru, naleka opa president, went to Hague, humbled himself. Obama najja. Because Obama could not, the American government, the president of the United States, the champion of human rights, could not be shake hands on arrival at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport n'omuntu alina omusaayi gw'abantu. Kakati Uhuru Ruto y'empulutulizo baagimulekako. This has made the next election peaceful. Baali batyaki.
The one which is going to happen is going to be more peaceful.
Baali batya nti luli bwe twali tubizanyiramu twesanga Hague. They humbled themselves. Do you know what it means? A president of Kenya or any other country to humble himself, n'aleka obwa president, n'agenda Hague, n'atula mu ddooko. Abazungu bayita bakuzanya. Kakati ekyaddiya kyali ki? Everybody, there was a struggle in Kenya. Make sure that these people are tried by the local tribunal. Bali babita byakuzanya. No. N'omusajja mulaba yali abapasuwinga ennyo baali Kironzo. Bamutta yali minister justice. Ne bakuba buli minister justice yenna. Kuba bateekako commission of inquiry. Ne bateekako a former judge Waki. Ne bamuteekako nga Raila yamukulira naddira amannya g'abantu n'agatwalayo to prevent them from going. Kakati today bino byonna abazungu bagezi. These are mitigating measures. We are planning to deport your people if you don't put things in order. This is why the government is making everything possible. Kakati bana opposition bebakuba bino mu mawulire.
Bobi Wine amubalira to that extent.
Bobi Wine is under the total control of CIA. Bobi Wine was recruited.
So, President Museveni, Bobi Wine is funded. They are not just allegations.
No, I know.